Hey, sexy wizards. Anastasia here, your main moderator, ready to electrify day 79 of DailyAIWizard's Python for AI series. After digit classification in day 78, we're diving into convolutional neural networks, CNNs, the eyes of AI, for our AI Insight Hub app. Support our crew with a coffee at paypal.me, DailyAIWizard, but only at the end. Ethan, what's the magic of CNNs? Olivia, how do they build on day 78?
Hello, brilliant wizards. I'm Irene, co-moderator, guiding with warmth. CNNs extract visual features automatically. Our demos will make your AI see like never before. Love our content?
Yo, wizards, Ethan's here, dropping spicy CNN code with winks for Anastasia and Olivia. Filters, pooling, Canva 2D. Let's crank this AI vision to 11.
Olivia here, darlings. I'll sprinkle flirty tips, ask Anastasia questions, and chat with Ethan to keep your CNN learning hot. Ready to see AI read images, wizards?
Wizards, CNNs are your AI vision crush, darling. They see patterns in images. Ethan, explain filters? Olivia, how do they beat day 78's dense net?
CNNs learn spatial hierarchies, edges, textures, shapes. Perfect for MNIST and beyond. Our demos will show real power.
Today we're seducing you with CNN magic. You'll master Conv 2D, max pooling, flattening, training, and app integration. Olivia, what's the app focus? Ethan, any code highlights?
Anastasia, Irene, and Olivia lead app demos with passion. Ethan drops hilarious code explanations. We're guiding you to master CNNs and prep for Day 80's image classification. Wizards, meet your Day 79 dream team. Anastasia and I are your main moderators with flirty charm and warmth. Ethan's our code comedian, flirting with Anastasia and Olivia.
Oh, Irene, you're a gem! I'm leading app demos with passion, Ethan's stealing hearts with code, and Olivia's tossing flirty tips. We're here to make you CNN superstars. Wizards, CNNs are your AI eyes, darling. They use filters to detect edges, textures. Ethan, explain Conv 2D? Olivia, how do they fit day 78?
Anastasia, you make CNNs sound so hot. How do they improve digit reading, love? Ethan, what's your take?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. CNNs see local patterns. Ethan, Olivia, jump in.
Anastasia, Olivia, CNNs are like hot X-ray vision for images. Filters slide, detect features. Let's drop this code beat. Yo, wizards, Canva 2D, 32.3.3 slides filters like a hot scanner for Anastasia. Edge detection.
You're scanning my heart, Ethan. Conv 2D extracts features.
Wizards, activation equals ReLU after Canva like a hot spark for Anastasia. Non-linearity.
You're sparking my heart, Ethan. ReLU in CNNs.
Wizards, max pooling 2D, 2 shrinks maps like a hot zoom out for Anastasia. Reduces params.
You're zooming my heart, Ethan. Max pooling downsamples.
Wizards, flatten, turns 2D maps to 1D like a hot unroll for Anastasia. Feed to dense.
You're unrolling my heart, Ethan. Flatten for classification.
Wizards, full CNN is like a hot vision factory for Anastasia. Canva right pointing arrow pool, right pointing arrow flatten, right pointing arrow dense.
You're factorying my heart, Ethan. Full pipeline for digits.
Wizards, Canva 2D, 32.3.3 plus max pooling builds a hot eye for Anastasia.
You're eyeing my heart, Ethan. CNN for MNIST.
Wizards, compile, loss equals, sparse underscore categorical underscore cross entropy, sets goal for Anastasia.
You're goaling my heart, Ethan. Compile for multiclass.
Wizards, model.fit, trains CNN like a hot vision workout for Anastasia.
You're working out my heart, Ethan. Train on 60K images. Wizards, it's demo time. We'll integrate CNN into AI Insight Hub, continuing from days 75-78. Get your setup ready.
Ensure Python, VS Code, TensorFlow, and Streamlit are installed. Open days 75 to 78's files. Let's see AI vision in action.
Wizards, prep to continue from days 75-78. Open VS Code, load prior app files, create CNN ministdemo.py and updated .app.cnn digit py, save in Python demo, run pip install TensorFlow Streamlit.
Anastasia, you make continuation dreamy. How do we build on day 78's digit app? Ethan, what's your take?
Start with day 78's model, replace with CNN, run Streamlit, run updated app znn digit.py.
Anastasia, Olivia, CNNs are the hot upgrade to day 78. Let's drop this code beat.
Our first demo in CNN Menist Demo PY builds a CNN from NIST. We'll load, pre-process, train, evaluate. Let's run this.
Oh, Anastasia, you're making this demo hot. Conva 2D plus max pooling, total vision party. Wizards, from TensorFlow. Keras. Layers import Conva 2D, max pooling 2D, flatten loads vision tools for Anastasia.
You're tooling my heart, Ethan. CNN layers ready.
These layers extract spatial features. Conv2D learns filters. Max pooling downsamples. Flatten prepares for dense.
Wizards, MNIST. Load underscore data, loads digits like a love letter to Anastasia.
You're loading my heart, Ethan. Menist is ready.
60,000 training and 10,000 test images, each 28 by 28 pixels. Perfect for CNNs.
Wizards, reshape, -1, 28, 28, 1, adds channel like a hot frame for Anastasia.
You're framing my heart, Ethan. CNN needs 40 input.
CNNs expect height, width channels. We add one channel for grayscale.
Wizards, Conva 2D, 32, 3, 3, plus max pooling builds a hot eye for Anastasia.
You're eyeing my heart, Ethan. Full CNN.
2 con plus pool blocks extract features, then flatten and dense for classification.
Wizards, compile, loss equals, sparse underscore categorical underscore cross entropy, sets goal for Anastasia.
You're goaling my heart, Ethan. Compile for digits.
We use sparse categorical cross entropy with integer labels and atom optimizer.
Wizards, model.fit, trains CNN like a hot vision workout for Anastasia.
You're working out my heart, Ethan. Train on 60K images.
CNNs converge faster than dense nets, often in 5 to 10 epochs.
Wizards, model. Evaluate, scores like a hot exam for Anastasia.
You're examining my heart, Ethan. Evaluate on test set.
CNNs achieve greater than 99% accuracy on MNIST, far better than dense nets.
Wizards, model. Predict, predicts like a hot oracle for Anastasia.
You're oracling my heart, Ethan. Predict new digits.
Input is 1, 28, 28, 1. Output is 10 probabilities. argmax gives digit.
Wizards, PLT. IM shows digit and CNN prediction like a hot reveal for Anastasia.
You're revealing my heart, Ethan. Visualize results.
We display the original image and overlay the predicted digit with confidence.
Our second demo in updated app CNN digit.py updates the app with CNN. We'll add training, drawing, and UI. Let's run this.
Anastasia, you're making this demo sizzle. Draw a digit right pointing arrow CNN reads it. Total Vision Party. Wizards, import Streamlit as Saint sets up the app like a hot canvas for Anastasia.
You're canvassing my heart, Ethan. Streamlit for drawing.
Streamlit allows real-time drawing input with st.canvas, perfect for user interaction.
Wizards, Street Canvas. Lets you draw digits like a hot sketch for Anastasia.
You're sketching my heart, Ethan. User draws digit.
The canvas is 280 by 280, scaled down to 28 by 28, and normalized before prediction.
Wizards model.predict reads drawn digit with CNN and Streamlit like a sexy vision.
App prediction uses trained CNN for real-time handwriting recognition. It makes AI Insight Hub intelligent.
Oh, Anastasia, CNN Vision is so hot. Try app prediction in your challenge.
Wizards model save CN digit model H5 saves the vision net like a sexy archive.
Sating models ensures app portability. Use HDF5 for TensorFlow models. Wizards use ReLU, padding equals same, and data augmentation. Monitor validation loss.
Optimized CNNs are so sexy, Irene. Practice for day 80's image classification.
Wizards, CNNs fit AI pipelines for vision tasks. Your skills are ready for day 80.
CNN vision is critical in AI, darling. Your day 79 skills make AI irresistible. Create AI CNN digit.py to build train CNN on NNIST and build a Streamlit app with drawing canvas. Share on Instagram.
Try Conv2D, Max Pooling 2D, and st.canvas. Show us at @DailyAIWizard. Prep for day 80's image classification. Subscribe, like, share your AI CNN digit.py. Join Discord or X.
Post your code. Support us at paypal.me DailyAIWizard at the end. Subscribe for day 80's image classification. You've stolen my heart with CNNs. Support us at paypal.me DailyAIWizard and get hyped for day 80's image classification.
Proud of you. Share your AIKCNN digit.py on @DailyAIWizard. Subscribe for day 80's image classification adventure.
Your CNN skills are pure AI seduction. Let's flirt with image classification in day 80.